In today's video, I'll be testing out a new penne pasta I've never had before and a new pasta sauce I've never had before. Let's take a closer look. Pasta I'm using today is called Rummo, and it says it's made South Italy, and it's a penne rigata. It says south of Italy, but it shows it's imported from Italy. It's a number 66 penne rigata meaning it has ridges. And then we have a little information on the side, 11 minutes to boil in for al dente. And then on the back side, a little more information there about the company. And come around this side, and I see nutrition information. What I just noticed, and I just picked this up, I see an expiration date here that says 3/16/2026. Okay, so we're good for a while. Phew, thought that said 2024. Okay, so this is the pasta we're using today. This is a brand new brand. I've never had it before. And then also I stumbled upon this Botticelli. I'm not quite sure how to say it, Fra Diavolo. And it is it says here, right there, hot and spicy. We'll see about that. Made with Italian tomatoes, also a product of Italy, it says. Come around the side and look at the nutrition information. There is that. And our ingredients, which are right there. Italian tomatoes, diced and pureed. Onions, sunflower oil. Oh, all right, well. All right, basil, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, garlic, black pepper, and red hot pepper. So I've had a bad taste experience with a different pasta sauce that had that sunflower oil. Maybe that was not the problem. We'll find out today. So many of the arrabbiata and spicy marinara sauces I've tried so far have not been spicy. So we'll hope that we have better luck with the Botticelli. All right, so I'm going to get to cooking, and let's see how it goes. Here's our pasta sauce simmering. Very good. Very thick sauce. It smells fantastic. Coming over to our penne pasta, letting that go for the 11 minutes, not a second over, because I really want that al dente. Now here's the dish all complete and ready to eat. Here we go. All right, so this is really hot. And, in other videos, when I've tried spicy labeled pasta sauces, arrabbiatas, I've been hesitant, kind of psyching myself up. I'm not a big spicy, I don't like a lot of really hot, spicy food. So anywhere from a medium to a mild, somewhere in there. Anything more than that's too much for me. So when I tell you something doesn't have any spice, like I really mean it. I'm not somebody that eats something spicy and goes, oh, that's not spicy. Because I know people like that. I'm not those people. So this one says hot and spicy. And guess what? I'm not psyching myself up because I simply don't believe it anymore. So let's give this a shot and see how it tastes. And we'll see if it's actually spicy or not. But yeah, I am done being tricked. All right. We'll get that all mixed up. And the penne looks fantastic. It's pretty large penne. We'll see how it all comes together. Okay, first of all, there's something in this pasta sauce that kind of is going against, not with the tomatoes. Not sure what it is, but there's something in there that I don't care for. This may be one of those sauces that the more you eat it, perhaps I'll start enjoying it more, but I don't care for this at all. And I'm not getting, zero spice, nothing at all. So the first bite for me was a bit off-putting because the flavor's unusual. It's got something in the tomato sauce that's detracting from the tomato taste instead of enhancing it. And I don't know what it is, but if I had to guess, I'd say it's like an anise or like a black licorice flavor. It's not like it's overpowering. It's just doing funny things to the taste of the tomato sauce that, yeah, I can't say I'm a fan of. Take one more bite. Mm-mm. Absolute zero spice. It feels like it's missing something. I don't like this at all. So on a scale of 1 to 10, it's not even on the scale. It's just way down low, like 0, -1. It's, in my opinion, it's not good. As for the penne is nice and al dente. It's a bit large for me. I like the smaller penne, the pennette for the texture. It is a penne rigata versus a penne lisce or smooth, which I prefer rigata. I like the ridges. I think the pasta sauce ruined my pasta though. So we'll have to cook up the Rummo again with a different sauce that hopefully will be a better experience than this one. So that's it for me for this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.